Hey, I'm Phil from Severed Ties. This is my 87 Haro FSX. It was a full restoration project. I used this piece of shit to carry it around to shows, but I'm mostly just showing the bike.
So, okay, so it's just a trailer for the bike, right? Cool, man, I appreciate it, bro.
Hey, of course, thank you.
Thank you.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption ever came.
This is my 72 Datsun, custom chassis. Front suspension is 94 Toyota pickup. Under the hood, we've got S5 13B rotary engine from a 91 RX-7, Weber carb, distributor, header, all that. Bob Grant, Brandon from Supreme Rod and Customs in Sacramento, Garrett from Trick Toys in Moore, Oklahoma, all combined forces to do a bunch of sheet metal work, bead roll work on the interior, engine bay, and trunk. Got it all put together with a bunch of friends and a bunch of help.